Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Hello, everyone, and as you know, my focus is early retirement. And after doing research, I found that building a digital asset online is the way to go. I've already started my journey by starting my YouTube channel. So, guys, today we're going to talk about the business model that I chose for early retirement. I guess you guys are wondering what could that possibly be? Okay, but my business model for early retirement is going to be print on demand. As you know, the print on demand industry isn't slowing down. There are over 1 million consumers using the print on demand services. Uh, when I say 1 million, the first thing I think some people will think is, oh my God, it's so saturated. No, ma'am. No such thing as saturated. A million people compared to how many people are on this earth, that's not even a tenth of a fraction of people that are doing print on demand. So there's a lot of opportunities here. Okay, so I chose the print on demand as my journey for early retirement because you only need one winning product. Okay, there's a saying that is in the POD industry that you're one product away from succeeding. And right now, I'm going through training and I'm learning all about the print on demand industry, the different companies that you can choose from, the platform, which is so many that you can choose from. Like there's Shopify, there's Etsy, there's Amazon, there's also GrooveCart, which I'm also a member of. So I'm just trying to decide which platform I really want to use. Okay. And you can provide customization to all your customers at a fair price. You can offer really unique products, really creative products. I think I'm drawn toward this type of model. One, because it's no overhead, it's quick, it's easy, and well, I'm not going to say easy, I'll take that back. There's no overhead, and I'm a creative person, so it will help me get my creativity back on track. There's a lot of information online, but this business will take work, and it's not a get rich quick type of business. It's going to take a little time. Um, and I will make a more detailed video about the platform for print on demand, and I'll also make a video about the costs and of getting started with print on demand. Because with any business, you're going to have to put some money up front in order to have some costs, associated with it. What is print on demand? Basically, you load up designs to a product of your choice, and then it is shipped to the consumer. And you don't, like again, like I said, you don't need any inventory. Everything is handled by the print on demand company. You choose a product from anywhere from t-shirts, mugs, car seat covers, floor mats, dresses, hoodies, blankets, throws, quilts, shower curtains, rugs, phone cases, you name it, they have it. Kids' clothes. It just depends on what niche you want to follow. Okay. The best platform for POD sellers to make real money. Like I said, you could choose Shopify, Etsy, Amazon. And if you don't want to go through the process of paying for a store, Shopify and Etsy, you're going to have to come out of pocket. I don't think you have to come out of pocket for Amazon, but I do know that there is just like with all of these, you're going to be paying something for, using their platform. Or you can go to Teespring or Redbubble, and I did start a store 2 years ago on Redbubble, and I've sold a few products, but I haven't been really active because I haven't really taken a course on it. But those platforms, you can actually set your store up on their platform and do it that way. It is your choice. You have to start where you're at. Okay. Um, um, you might be wondering, how to name a store. Um, they tell you to name your store if you're going to use a Shopify. Go with a .com or a .net. try to use 10 letters or less in your store name. You don't want your store name to be complicated where people can't remember the name of the store. You don't want your store name to be too long either, okay? Um, you need to choose a store type. You could choose either a niche store or a general store. And you can also do a general store, which is a one product store, for testing to see if the product you chose is going to work before you start adding too many products to your store, setting up a whole store, and realize that it's a flop. So I think it's a real smart way to set up your store using one product, really working on that product, getting your keywords together, and seeing how that works from there. Um, they tell you choosing profitable products, and what they basically mean is that t-shirts has a really low profit margin. Um, I'm not doing t-shirts because of the low profit margins, or mugs. Um, and there is a lot of competition with t-shirts and mugs. Everybody's doing t-shirts and mugs because that's what was popular when PODs, print on demand, um, first came out. And a lot of people, not saying that you can't succeed with it, but it's going to take a lot more work. It's going to take a lot more work because you're competing with so many other t-shirts, especially if you use a platform like Amazon, um, Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. There's a lot of competition with t-shirts. You're gonna have to be really creative to stand out, or if you already have a platform of followers and you can market to them, then you might be able to get somewhere. But if you're looking to have that traffic, that already built-in traffic, and you're not looking to market, you're gonna be having a lot of pushback with just doing mugs and t-shirts. And again, like I said, the profit margins are really low. So that's something to take into consideration. There are so many other options that you can choose from. Like I said, like car seats, shoes, wallets, garden signs, custom jewelry. I mean, that's just to name a few. Making designs, if you are not creative, then don't worry. There are so many options that you can choose from. Um, I'll do a separate video on that as well, to show you other platforms that you can go to buy designs and use. But of course, with buying those designs, there's going to be a cost. There's going to be a commercial licensing cost, and there are going to be rules, as well as understanding which platform which design tool you can use with these designs in order to make them work for you. Okay? The reason I like this business model is because I can offer unique products with little overhead, and I have an opportunity, again, like I said, to be creative. This is definitely a creative business. It's a unique business, and you can customize the business to what trends are out, what's popular, and basically what's selling, find out what people are looking for. And if you are interested in following me on this journey, then stay tuned for my side hustle so that you can see how things come out as I side hustle my way to early retirement. Okay, again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel that this video can help someone else out, please share. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, take care.